हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम। आज हम देखने वाले जियोग्राफी का सेकंड पेपर, जिसमें अपन जियोग्राफी रिलेटेड जितने भी क्वेश्चंस आएंगे वो सभी कवर करेंगे। यहाँ पे भी 50 क्वेश्चंस करेंगे, नेक्स्ट भी रहेंगे उसमें भी 50 क्वेश्चन करेंगे। ये सारे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस है और ये सारे जो क्वेश्चंस है नाबार्ड, एनटीपीसी, एलपी टेक्नीशियन, एनआईसीएल के काम में आएंगे। मतलब जो भी गवर्नमेंट के प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, जिनको जीके है, उन सब के लिए काम में आएंगे। ओके, तो जिन्होंने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है वो सब्सक्राइब कर ले और वीडियो को लाइक कर ले, ताकि ऐसी अपडेट्स आपको मिल सके। ओके, तो बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए अपन स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है यहाँ पे। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में ये बोला है कि यहाँ पे विच रिवर फॉर्म, ओके, विच रिवर फॉर्म द पार्ट ऑफ बॉर्डर बिटवीन यूनाइटेड स्टेट एंड मेक्सिको। तो यहाँ पे कौन सा पार्ट है बॉर्डर का? तो रियो ग्रैंड। ओके, रियो ग्रैंड जो है वो flows from Colorado through Mexico and along with the US-Mexico border covering in 1900 miles. Okay. Second, which African country has the highest population density? तो रवांडा, रवांडा जो है वो हाईएस्ट पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी ड्यू टू इट्स स्मॉल साइज एंड सिग्निफिकेंट पॉपुलेशन। ओके। थर्ड है द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द हिमालय was primary due to collision of which two tectonic plates? तो इंडियन एंड यूरोशियन प्लेट्स। देखो, हिमालय फॉर्म फ्रॉम द कोलिशन ऑन द इंडियन प्लेट्स मूविंग नॉर्थवर्ड into the Eurasian plates, creating uplift and mountain building. Okay. Next, which of the following desert is located in both Argentina and Chile? तो यहाँ पे पैटागोनियन, पैटागोनियन डेजर्ट जो है वो साउथर्न अर्जेंटीना एज अ पार्ट ऑफ चाइल इज अ लॉन्ग लार्जेस्ट डेजर्ट इन द अर्जेंटीना। ओके। नेक्स्ट, फिफ्थ, व्हाट इज द लार्जेस्ट लेक इन अफ्रीका बाय सरफेस एरिया? तो लेक विक्टोरिया, लेक विक्टोरिया जो है, देखो लेक विक्टोरिया लोकेटेड इन ईस्ट अफ्रीका अप्रोक्सीमेटली 68,800 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर, मेकिंग इट्स अफ्रीका लार्जेस्ट लेक बाय द सरफेस एरिया। ओके। नेक्स्ट, सिक्स क्वेश्चन, विच कॉन्टिनेंट हैज द मोस्ट टाइम जोन? तो नॉर्थ अमेरिका, नॉर्थ अमेरिका इंक्लूडिंग टेरिटरीज एंड इसलैंड स्पैन ओवर 11 टाइम जोन, largely due to US territories in the Pacific. Okay. Next, seventh, in term of annual rainfall, what is the wettest place on the earth? They indirectly Maswaran, India. Okay. Maswaran, India received the an average annual rainfall over 11,871 mm, making it the wettest place on the earth. Okay. Next question, 8. The concept of continental drift was proposed by which scientist? तो एल्फ्रेड वेगनर, वेगनर। ओके, एल्फ्रेड वेगनर। वेगनर introduced the theory of continental drift, proposing that continent where are once connected and supercontinent called Pangaea. Okay. Next, ninth, which country is home to Danakil, Danakil depression, one of the hottest place on the earth? Ethiopia. The Danakil depression is a northeastern Ethiopia experience extreme heat and is one of the lowest point on the earth. Okay. 10th, the Suez Canal connect with the which of the two bodies of water? तो आंसर है रेड सी एंड मेडिटेरियन सी। The Suez Canal major international trade routes connect with the Mediterranean and Red Sea, provide a direct access between Europe and Asia. Okay. Next, 11. Which US state is the closest to Russia? So Alaska. At their closest point, Alaska and Russia are separated by the Bering Strait, only about 55 miles apart. Okay. Next, 12. Which Asian river is known as the sorrow of China due to its frequent flooding? तो होंग हे, ठीक है। होंग हे means yellow river frequently flood causing immense damage of lost fire and hence the nickname yellow. 13. Which ocean has the greatest average depth? तो Pacific Ocean has the greatest average depth due to features like Mariana Trench and world deepest ocean range. Okay. Next, 14. The ring of fire is associated with विच ओशियन? तो रिंग ऑफ फायर अगर है तो वो पैसिफिक है. द रिंग ऑफ फायर अराउंड द पैसिफिक ओशियन इज द एरिया with high volcanic seismic activity due to its telectonic plates boundaries. Okay. Next, 15. Which mountain range from the traditional boundary between Europe and Asia? The Ural mountain. The Ural mountain in Russia are commonly considered geographical divider between Europe and Asia. Okay. 16. The largest hot desert in the world is? तो सहारा. ये तो अपना क्वेश्चन हुआ है, ये रिपीट हुआ है क्वेश्चन. ओके. नेक्स्ट 17. Which two countries are separated by the Strait of Malacca? Okay, so Malaysia and Indonesia. The Strait of Malacca, one of the largest, busiest shipping lane, separate Malaysia and Indonesia. 18th, which country has the largest number of active volcanoes? तो इंडोनेशिया. ये भी क्वेश्चन रिपीट हुआ है अपना. ओके. नेक्स्ट, द बिग बैंग theory primarily explain. The Big Bang means the origin of the universe. देखो, the Big Bang theory describe expansion of the universe from singular point approximately 13.8 billion year ago. Okay. Next, 20. Which African river flow into the Indian Ocean? The Zambezi. Zambezi rivers flow eastern and empties into the Indian Ocean with the famous Victoria Fall along its course. Okay. Next, 21. What is the largest island in the Caribbean Sea area? So Cuba. Cuba is the largest Caribbean island by area, spanning approximately 1,09,884 square miles. Okay. Next, 22. Which mountain is the tallest in the North Africa? तो Mount McKinley. उसको ही अपन देनाली बोलते हैं. ओके. द देनाली फॉर्म नोन एज अ माउंट मैकिनली इज द टॉलेस्ट पीक इन द नॉर्थ अमेरिका, which is elevations 20,310 square feet means 6,190 meters. Okay. Next, 23. The majority of Antarctica is covered by which type of landform? तो ice sheet. Okay. तो अंटार्कटिका जो है वो periodically covered by massive ice sheet accounting for the 98% of the land area. Okay. Next, 24. Which European country is known for having no river? तो Malta. Malta is a island nation, is a Mediterranean, lack of natural rivers for fresh lakes. Okay. Next question, 25. Which ocean current is known for its warming effect on the climates of Western Europe? So Gulf Stream. Gulf Stream is a warm Antarctic ocean current that significantly moderate and climate of Western Europe. Okay. Next, 26. The roaring forties are strong westerly wind found primarily in which latitude range? So 40 to 50 degree. The roaring forties are strong western windy wind located between the latitude of 40 and 50 degree in the southern hemisphere. Okay. Next question, 27. The Silk Road was a trade route that historically connected Europe with Asia. Okay. The Silk Road was the ancient network of trade routes containing Europe with Asia, facilitating culture and economic exchange. Okay. Next, 28. Which body of water separates Saudi Arabia from Africa? So Red Sea. The Red Sea separates the Arabian Peninsula from Africa, stretching between the coast of Saudi Arabia, several African nations. Okay. 29. Which South American country has both Pacific and Atlantic coastline? So answer is Colombia. Colombia is the only Southern American country which is the coastal line on the both Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. It's called Caribbean Sea. Okay. Next question है 30. What is the most famous island in the world? तो आंसर है Java. Java is an Indonesian island, is the most popular island globally with over 140 million inhabitants. Okay. Next, 31. The Great Barrier Reef is primarily composed of कोरल रीफ, ठीक है। जो ग्रेट बैरियर रीफ इज लोकेटेड ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया कोस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट कोरल रीफ सिस्टम फॉर्म बाय मिलियंस ऑफ टीनी ऑर्गेनिज्म कॉल्ड एज कोरल पॉलिप्स। ओके, नेक्स्ट 32, which desert is known as Egypt empty quarter? इजिप्ट नहीं, एम्प्टी क्वार्टर। तो एम्प्टी क्वार्टर मतलब रूबल अल खली। The Rub al Khali is known as empty quarter is one of the largest sand desert in the world located in Arabian Peninsula. Okay. Next 33. Which country has the longest coastline in the world? So Canada. Canada is the largest coastline globally, extending 202,000 kilometer, bordering in the Atlantic, Pacific, and Arctic oceans. Okay. Next 34. Which mountain is known as a savage mountain due to its extreme condition? So K2. K2 is located in Karakoram range, is called savage mountain because of its harsh weather, difficult terrain, high fatality rate, and among climbers. Okay. Next 35. In which country would you find the volcanic island Stromboli? ओके, तो इटली आंसर है उसका, इटली। स्ट्रोम्बोली पार्ट ऑफ इटली एरोलिक आइलैंड इज वन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड मोस्ट कंटिन्यूअसली एक्टिव वोल्केनोस। ओके, नेक्स्ट 36. विच यूरोपियन कैपिटल सिटी इज द हाईएस्ट एलिवेशन? तो मैड्रिड। ओके, मैड्रिड स्पेन इज द हाईएस्ट कैपिटल सिटी इन द यूरोप, sitting approximately 667 meters, means 2188 feet above sea level. Okay, next 37. Which North African desert is the second largest hot desert in the world? So Sahara. Okay, next, the Great Dividing Range is found in which country? Answer है Australia. The Great Dividing Range run along the eastern coast of Australia is the longest mountain range in the country. Okay. Next question 39. The line of longitude passing through Greenwich, England is known as prime meridian. The prime meridian as a zero longitude pass through the Greenwich, England, and serve as a reference time zone. Okay. Next 40. Which of this river is the longest in South America? So Amazon River. Amazon River is the longest river in South America, stretching approximately 4,345 miles, means 7,062 kilometers. Okay. Next 41. Which region is known for having the most biodiversity in the Amazon rainforest? Amazon rainforest, known as the lungs of the earth, in the most biodiverse region globally, hosting estimate 10% of the world known species. Okay. Next 42. Which mountain range separate Europe and Asia? तो Ural mountain. Okay, ये हुआ है तो क्वेश्चन अपना 43. Which African lake is the second deepest in the world? तो लेक तंगानिया का, okay, is the second deepest freshwater lake in the world, reaching depth up to 1,470 meter, means 4,823 feet. Okay. Next 44. The city of Istanbul straddles which two continents? So Europe and Asia. Okay, the Istanbul is a transcontinental city in Turkey, located on the both side of Bosporus Strait, in one of the part Europe and other Asia. Next question 45. Which desert is considered the driest non-polar desert in the world? The Atacama desert, ये अपन ने पहले भी देखा है. Okay, the Chile Peru is a non-polar desert on the receiving less than 1 mm rain per year some area. Okay. Next 46. Which country has the most volcano in the world? तो इंडोनेशिया, ये भी सबसे पहले हुआ था अपना क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट, बॉस्पोरस स्ट्रेट कनेक्ट विच टू बॉडीज ऑफ वाटर? तो ब्लैक सी एंड सी ऑफ मार्मारा. तो बॉस्पोरस कनेक्ट विद द ब्लैक सी एंड सी ऑफ मार्मारा acting the natural boundaries between the European and Asian part of Turkey. Okay. Next question 48. Which country is the home to the oldest desert in the world? The Namib Desert. So Namibia. Namibia Desert is the Namibia is considered world the oldest desert with arid conditions that have lasted for roughly 55 million years. Okay. Next 49. What is the longest river with the single country? So Exit, Exit River. Exit River in China, longest river flowing entirely with the single country, stretching approximately 6,300 kilometer, means 3,917 miles. Next question 50. Which Asian country has the largest population on snow leopards? Okay, so indirectly इसका आंसर है China. China has the largest population on snow leopards as a significant portion of their habitats lies with the mountain range with the western China. Okay, तो ये अपने 50 क्वेश्चंस हो गए. नेक्स्ट जो रहेगा वो एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे. ओके, और प्लस कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट पेपर्स भी लेंगे अपन. मॉक पेपर तो कंटिन्यू चल ही रहे डे बाय डे. क्यूटी रीजनिंग प्लस इंग्लिश के भी क्वेश्चंस अपन ऐड करेंगे. ओके, तब तक के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए. थैंक यू.